In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do advanced searches in Outlook, a tool that can greatly enhance your productivity. Advanced Search in Microsoft Outlook is a powerful feature designed to help you quickly find emails using a variety of filters such as sender, subject, date, attachments, categories, size, and keywords. This function is particularly useful when you need to sift through a crowded inbox to locate specific messages without wasting precious time. To begin with, let's take a look at how to open the Advanced Search function. You'll want to be within the Outlook application, so if you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and launch your Outlook client. Once that's done, there's a quick keyboard shortcut that you can use to access the Advanced Search. Simply press Ctrl, Shift, and F all at the same time. It's a bit like playing a chord on the piano. Press all three keys simultaneously, and you'll see a window pop up called Advanced Find. Now that you've opened the Advanced Find window, you're standing at the doorstep of a powerful search tool. Here, you have the opportunity to refine your search to retrieve exactly the emails you want, need, or perhaps had forgotten all about. On this window, you will notice various tabs and options that allow you to define what you're searching for with great precision. For instance, you can set parameters to search for emails from a specific sender. This is extremely beneficial when you have ongoing email threads with a particular client or colleague, and you need to dig through those specific discussions. Similarly, if you're looking for emails that contain certain time-sensitive content, you could specify a date range. You can even pinpoint conversations that include attachments. If you remember being sent a file but not much more about the email itself, this feature can come to the rescue. Another handy feature in the Advanced Search is the ability to search by subject. Let's say you only remember the subject line but nothing else. You can find it in a matter of seconds. If you use categories to organize your emails, you can include these in your searches to tailor your results even more finely. For example, you might have categorized emails into projects, departments, or clients. Don't forget that you have the option to filter emails based on their size. This is ideal when you're troubleshooting space issues or seeking those large emails that might be hogging your storage. And if keywords are your thing, you can use them to look for emails containing specific phrases or words. This can be especially useful in the case of legal work, journalism, or any field that frequently deals in large volumes of specific and detailed written content. By mastering these search techniques, you'll be able to navigate your inbox with ease, saving time and energy for more important tasks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to test different filters to see how they work best for you.